a dua for them, inshallah. We'll have, inshallah, I have the guest. You know him, a famous guest, a famous scholar, Hafiz Maulana Fahim Ahmad Sahib. He came all the way from Manchester. And you guys remember last time he gave a very valuable speech in front of you, and you boys and girls enjoyed. Alhamdulillah, this time he will deliver his speech again. And remember, this program is for the beloved, our Shaykh, our Murshid, Allama Sahib Qibla Fultuli Rahimahullah Ta'ala, and the remembering of the community of Hyde. The peoples are passed away from the Hyde community. Inshallah, the guest, the Maulana, will deliver the speech about the importance of